hear me. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see if I can get this shit up, but it's not telling me I'm live. Oh no, it's telling me I'm live now. Oh, it's telling me I'm live. Sorry, I'm trying to see if anyone's like saying anything. Regardless, bro, I'm be sitting here, whatever happens. I don't see anyone in chat, so I'm gonna assume no one's here. And get to business. Starting our first paper. I'm showing up the questions on the screen if you guys want to do them. Yeah, man, that's about it. And I'm gonna switch when I'm done, probably most of the time. So yeah. Let's go. Let's get into the video, man. Hi, someone else is in the chat, I think. I'll be real. Don't know. If you're in the chat, then say something. Okay. This is calculator as well, so I can get calc. Because I like that. I like my calc. Also, if someone comes in, then I'm gonna turn off the mic and camera and shit. Hey, sorry. Thought someone was coming. This is 28. Okay, should be right. Simplest terms. Use your expansion. Okay. So I'm assuming then that they want me to... Bro, whoever's in chat, bro, come on, speak up. I know someone else in this live stream. Come on, bro. I'm not gonna be talking through questions, by the way. I'm not that good. I'm just trying to be doing these questions. X is 0.14. So then if we use the expansion, mic is even on. Okay, let's see the answer that they get, because this is the answer I have. Wait. Sorry, I'll move this out of the way. So, what? 1 plus 2x. What the hell? How? That's why I wasn't receiving the right answer. Yeah, it's 1, obviously, plus... a quarter x. Well, what? How are they getting 2x? In which world? In which bloody world? Oh, it's because it's 8. I forgot the bloody thing. Okay, I see my issue now. Okay, next question, refresh. This one should be a quick one. I'll be honest, if you can't get this, you're cooked. I mean, I say that, but at the same time, I'll be real. I'm pretty much cookie. This question is like, why, why give this question though? I mean, thank you, to be honest. Okay, let me just double check. 6x squared minus 12x. Add 5x minus 10. Does indeed give us what we want. Who else is in the chat? Who's in the chat, bro? Come on, speak up. Speak up, man. Because I'm kind of... And I got minus 10. Sorry, minus... What do you mean minus 12 and 5, bro? I'm actually glitching. It's minus 10 and 3. Divide by 6, so divide 1 by 3. No, you can't do that. Divide 1 by 2, 3x minus 5. And the other one by 3, 2x plus 1. This should work. 6x squared minus 10x at 3x minus 5 is greater than 0. So it has to be x is less than negative a half, or x is greater than 5 over 3. And then part C, well, if x is greater than negative 11 over 12, Negative 11 over 2. But it has to also be less than negative a half. So then I would say well, x does satisfy also if it's above. I would say negative 11 over 12. Negative 11 over 2 is less than x, which is less than negative a half. Then x can be greater than 5 over 3. Which makes me think, can I also write x is greater than 5 over 3? Well, you want a set of values, so probably not. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, x is greater than 5 over 3, yeah. Okay, so they do want that. Alright, there we go. That's a nice 6 marker. Let's go. Given that y equals $13y. Man, you know, I love it when they do this shit to me, man. And then you want me to do derivatives. So first of all, we'll dy dx. That's some product rule. So that's 3e to the 3x multiplied by sine 2x. So you just differentiate 1. Add e to the 3x times cosine times 2 cosine 2x. By the way, I'm not writing my answers on the screen, by the way. If you guys are wondering if I'm doing that or not, I am not doing that. Because as far as I'm concerned, that's given me far more hassle than anything I've ever done in my life, I'll be honest. D squared y dx squared. This one is going to be 9e to the 3x sine 2x. Oh, hold on. Yo, what's up, man? How are you, bro? Well, I hope you're alright, man. I hope everything's good. I'm tired as shit, bro. But I'm just practicing for this because I kind of fucked paper 1. So I'm looking at my reactions live, bro. I'm realizing this might not be as productive as I actually originally thought, you know. If I was ever to get lots of views on this. Sorry, add 6 e to the 3x cosine 2x. Man, do I love differentiation. That one person listening to me is gonna be like, what the fuck? Like, shut up, bro. Shut your bitch. I don't even know if anyone here is listening to me, I'll be real. Don't think so anyone is, I'll be honest. So where was I? So we're gonna do 13, add that. So it's 13e to the yeah, cheers, man. Cheers, Will, bro. Thank you for that. That's very nice, bro. Yeah, I'll be honest, man. Like, been a interesting time. I'll put it that way. Yeah. Sound geezer. Cheers, mate. Okay. They ain't believing me. They ain't believing me, bro. Just joking. Messing. Bro, I didn't realize actually this good at multitasking. Yeah, I'm not even joking, bro. 22. Alright, 22 minus 4, guys. Let's go. That should be 18. Bro, I'll be real, man. This is kind of. Add 12 to the 3x cosine 2x. And say 60 y dx. Is that 60 y dx? Yes, it is, mate. I don't know who you are, mate. Who just joined the chat, but shit, bro. What's up? I don't know who Ra is, but whoever you are, man. I just realized that is actually, I don't know. Oh no, I rewrote it out like that. Yeah, I got the perfect answer. Equals 6 dy dx. Thank God, man. If I ever get mistakes in these kind of questions, you know, like, bro, you just be sitting there for like a long time. You just be looking at the question, just like, shit, like, you just be looking at the question, like, what did I get wrong? You know, honestly, bro, this happens to me sometimes where you just get shit wrong, and like, I just don't see where I got it wrong, and I start panicking, bro, in the test. This happens to me too much, and this is why I'm doing this, because this is basically every fucking question that they can ask me, all in one video. Well, that's that question done. I know I got that one right, I'm pretty sure. Okay, what is going on, mate? What is this? I can't even zoom out, guys. I'll be honest. I can't even fit the whole question on the page for you. That's actually crazy. Okay. Man, I got 6 viewers on this. Oh no, I did not want to do that. Wait. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say, but I cannot fit this question on the page. I'll put this on the page, and if you guys want to try it, I don't even know if anyone's trying it, to be honest. But. Okay, the asymptote that's parallel to the. My cat's in the room. You might hear her taking a shit. I'll be real. I know she's not taking a shit. Wait, yeah, she's not taking a shit. Alright. The asymptote to C parallel to the y-axis. So that would be, yeah, so that would mean it can't be, R can't be 4. No, sorry, R is 4. R is 4. What am I saying? R is 4. But I can't lie, I'm glitching, you know. Write down the value of P. So then, okay, this is just gonna be some nice stuff. 2x plus Q over x plus R. Take the limb, you got 2 plus Q over x. Add 1 plus R over x. You got 2, that's the limb. So that's got to be P. P equals 2. Alright, guys. Alright, it's just me again. So that means R is 4. Well, no, sorry, this equals it, right? That means that R is 4. Man, who I was watching. Thank you. Okay, so I figured out the first part of the question. That's at least something, right? And now I just gotta think about this. Alright, 2x plus q over x plus 4. And then, okay, and it tells us what the coordinate is of fucking y. I suck at this, man. 3 over 2. But, you know, I'm going to say that it's because I'm tired, somewhat. 3 over 2 times 4. Q is 6. Okay. Alright. This actually wasn't that bad. Given that it crosses the x-axis of points with coordinates s0. C crosses the x-axis at the point with coordinates s0. So we know what C is, so then let's just figure it out. So C is 2x plus 6 over x plus 4 equals y. The x-axis is y equals 0. You know why I always get confused with that? I don't know why. Just do. 0 equals 2x plus 6. Minus 6 equals 2x. Therefore x is minus 3. Therefore x is minus 3. Okay. S is minus 3. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this mark scheme. Hopefully I got this shit right. I mean, I don't have the mark scheme on the screen, but I'm looking at it. It's question number 4. This is quite a good paper too, to be honest. P equals 2, R equals 4. Cold. Q equals 6, X equals minus 3. Or S is minus 3, sorry, not X. Yeah, that's actually not that bad of a question. It looks worse. Okay. Show that P is 3. No one here anymore. That's life, bro. Therefore, minus P is minus 3. P is 3. Oh shit, who came in the stream? What's up, guys? Sorry, I'm not that entertaining, I'll be honest. But I didn't think anyone was here. So 0 is minus 41 over 4. Oh! Hey, Siri just starts talking to it. Okay, so... No, I'm not talking to you. I love this. I love this. So... Oh, I hate that it's find an equation, and you know what it is like, I just don't know if I'm right. That's the bad part. But, I have confidence in myself. I'm just going to double check that I'm right, actually. So, I also have to pass through 310. Yeah, it does. Okay, so this is correct. So now we just got to lock in, guys. So cringe, man. But whatever. Times by 3, that's 12y equals negative x. Add 41 multiplied by 3. No, not 41 divided by 3. 41 multiplied. Sorry. 12y add x minus 123 is 0. Who's in this chat, man? Come on, bro. Why are people not talking in the chat? Is it just because like you guys join anonymously? Like, I mean, I may not be that good of a person to talk to, but realistically, man, come on. So the point A. So respectively, so I'm assuming A is 310. Okay. And I'm on the part C, by the way, guys. I don't really know if you guys give a shit, but yeah, it is 12:05. It is 12:05. Find an equation for K in the form Y because I'm plus C. So it's perpendicular. So I would say its gradient is 12. And these questions aren't actually that bad. Like, these are generic GCSE questions. I just feel like they're just sometimes some questions where you just look and you're like, you're just staring. Sorry, well, if someone comes, then I'm going to be turning off the camera for a sec. I think someone's coming, so that's just a warning. Y equals 12x plus C. Aston, man, if you're watching this, come on. Lock in, bro. You're cooked. So that's my brother, for those who are wondering. Oh, come on. Like, I just that part D. What is that part D? Okay, we're gonna have to be locking in for this part D. That is Aston definitely watching this. Line K intersects. The x-axis at the point C. guys, I'm back. Sorry, don't know who was watching. I think it was my brother. I'm gonna go check if it's him in just a second. But let me just check this key because I did it. I just want to double check. I'll be honest. So PS3. Yeah. Yeah, that's parts right. Why is 12x minus 26? That is right. 3625. Come on, lads. Let's go. We did it. Got that key right. Let's move on. Question 6. How many questions are there in this one? 11. So we're over halfway through paper 1. This paper. What's this question? This looks like the last question doesn't even look as bad as it normally does. I'll be real. Alright, man. Bro, I can't believe this question is raps, bro. What is going on in this question? The area of the sector is increasing in such a way that the size remains constant. Well, first of all, come on. So we know that the area of a sector in radians. That's just theta over 2 pi multiplied by pi r squared, which is just the pi cancel out. Equals a half theta r squared. So I'm assuming that this is what they want, right? So then dA dr you can calculate because that's just theta r, right? And then you can calculate dA dt by multiplying theta r by 0.2. This equals 0.2 theta r, and it says theta remains constant. So I'm assuming this means that we just do, first of all, we convert the calc into radians. 0.2 times pi over 6 times r, which is 5 pi over 2 in this case. Yeah. I'm gonna tell my brother's watching this, you know. I know he's watching this. That's why no one's talking in the chat, bro. He probably doing like 5 ults. I'll be honest. Find the exact rate of change. Whoa. Is that going to be possible? I feel like that isn't going to be possible because it says find the exact rate of change. Well, it's going to be 0.2 times pi over 6 times... Well, I know what it is, but they want the exact. So, just say 2 over 10 multiplied by pi over 6 multiplied by 5 pi over 2. I'm going to say 10 pi squared over 120. And you can kind of just simplify that to pi squared over 12, or 12 pi squared. All right, let me just see if I'm right on that though. Minus a 12 pi squared. Yeah, I'm right. A 12 pi squared. Let's see what the answer says. I'll be real. I think I got that. It seems accurate, right? It seems like the right thing to do. Okay, I can't lie. I did have the right idea, but for some reason, it did not cook. Pi r squared times 112. Why do they do pi r squared over 12? Is the area. What? In which world? Oh no, it's because we know it's pi r 6. Yeah, it's pi r squared over 12. Okay, so what? But that doesn't mean anything there. Because then I calculated DADR. Which is theta r. Which just so happens to be theta pi over 6 times r. That's what I had anyway. So the length of RKB we had to actually calculate what r was. DADT is pi over 6. Yeah, we got that part. But you had to get 15. Oh, you had to get. Okay, I actually got 4 marks? No, 3 marks. That's an L, I'll be real. Because I actually thought, no, I did the right idea. The problem with what I did is I subbed in values a bit too late. I was like, something's up here. I knew something was up, bro. Come on, bro. We are not kidding today. Yeah, because it says the length of the arc. It says the length of the arc. The exact, when the length of the arc. Oh my god, I'm actually a bum. Nah, guys, I'm actually a bum. I did not read the cue, man. I mean, to be fair to me, it's like 20 past midnight, but that can't be real. So R is 15, and then you just plug 15 into the 0.2 times pi over 6 times 15. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Just read the question, and I'll be good to go. Right. Let's go. Next question. Okay, we got a nice question, mate. Guys, I'm gonna be back in a sec. I'm gonna see something. And my cat wants to come in as well, so it's probably a good time. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Yes, I'm not procrastinating, but nah, bro. Alright, guys, no more procrastination. Let's get to it. I'm not procrastinating, but man, bro. Let's get to this volumes revolution. I'm putting it off, but I'll be honest. Alright, so it's volumes revolution, and it gives us the volume. And figure 3. Okay. Yeah, this time we want integral of pi x. Well, just put the pi on the outside. X squared dy. And it's nice because they gave us x squared, so y minus 2 is x squared. So you got pi, the integral of y minus 2, and then it's just like, no weirdness intended there, but man, where a is greater than 2. What is going on? What is going on? Yeah, so it's this time it's the bounds are like y's. So this is the one I don't like. I'm assuming that you just want to know when it crosses the x-axis. So that's when y is... Sorry, when it crosses the y-axis. That's when x is 0, right? So it's going to be 2. It's going to be 0, 2. So this time we know that 2 is going to be our lower bound. The issue is we don't know what our upper bound is going to be. So we're going to let that equal a. And from there... Okay, guys, I might have cooked my first ever volumes revolution question. Let's just have a look at this. Y squared over 2 minus 2y. And then it's going to be a multiply by... No, multiply by... Guys, I'm telling you, man. I need as much luck as I can get, bro. I'll be honest. I might be screwed. If only... Multiply by nothing, bro. And there's also a pi in front of all this, which I just realized I didn't do when I evaluated it. A squared over 2 minus 2a. Minus, and then the bracket's minus 2 is 18 pi. Guys, I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking nothing right now. A half a squared pi minus 2a pi add 2 pi is 18. Let's just put it 18 pi. Let's just put it this way. A half a squared minus 2a. Oh yeah, no, hold on. This is right. Equals 18. So you want a half a squared minus 2a minus 16 is 0. So you want a squared minus 4a minus 32 is 0. Some reason I'm not convinced. No, I'm convinced. A minus 4 and a minus 8 and a plus 4 means a squared minus 8a at 4a minus 32. So, well, we know it has to be greater than 2, and so it has to be a equals 8. Yo, guys, if I just cook this. No one's here, so they're not going to see me fail, but let's be honest, though. Holy shit. Guys, that is legendary. I've just done volumes of revolution like nothing. Bro, that's light work. I'm joking, it's not light work, but I'll be honest. Sometimes I just do not get it, man. Do not get it. happy, bro. One question 8 out of 11. 3x squared minus kx minus 1 has roots a and b. So, well, alpha and beta, whatever you want, man. You know, God loves you. Sorry, guys, I'm being weird today. The reason is because minus 2 alpha beta. You know, they always ask very similar questions. I don't like how they fucking say, oh, no, sorry, they gave us alpha. So, and then, you know, alpha beta is just C over A, right? So minus 1/3. So then 2 alpha beta, that's just negative 2 over 3. And so you just want to do alpha plus beta squared. So k over 3 squared minus 2 over 3. So you want to do k squared over 9, add 2 over 3. Okay, I'm liking this, guys. I'm actually cooking, bro. This paper's actually sick, man. Come on. Alright, k squared. Oh, I didn't actually change the question. I just realised I did not change the question. I'm lacking, guys. I'm lacking. K squared, add 6 over 9. Given that alpha to the 4 plus beta to the 4 is 466 over 1. Oh, come on, bro. What is that? Nah. Hence form an equation as well. Alright, bro. These motherfuckers, bro. What is going on? And then I know the next question's geometric series. Okay. What do we got going on after that? We got a log simultaneous. Then we got a weird ass cylinder question. Use calculus, yeah. And then we're done. Right, let's kick this. No more procrastination. It's all hard work here. It's all hard work. Who's freeze.mp4? Yo. Hey, man. Is that Fraser? Don't know who this is. I'm gonna be honest with you, but scope. Lethal. Sorry, I'm looking at your channel. Okay, so alpha to the 4 plus b to the 4. Well, we know what alpha squared plus beta squared is in terms of k. Sorry, I have a bit of a aptitude. Someone's coming, I think. Someone comes after you turn off the cam. You know how it is, bro, when you feel like you know a question, but like at the same time, like CBA, bro. Yeah, that's me right now. Add 2 alpha squared beta squared. Add beta to the 4. So this means. What does this mean? What does this mean, Carter? Because to me, it does not mean nada. So this is 466 over 81. Add 2 alpha squared beta squared. Equals that thing squared. But the problem is, what the hell is alpha squared beta squared? That's just alpha beta times alpha beta. Okay, hold on, guys. Pause. 19. Indeed. This is 1/9. So they want my times 2. 2/9. 466 over 81. Add 2/9. Imagine this shit was, you know what I'm thinking? Imagine this was non-calc. Holy, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that would be the worst experience. That would be traumatizing. That's all I'm gonna say. Sorry guys, you are listening to me rant, but at the end of the day, 484 over 81. This equals k to the 4 at 12k squared at 36 all over 81. So multiply by both sides by 81. So 484 equals k to the 4 add 12k squared at 36. This doesn't look very promising. I shall be real. You know what I'm saying? K squared equals u squared plus 12u plus 448. Can't lie, guys. I'm getting a quadratic solver up for this. I'm not solving all these quadratics, bro. The amount of questions where they say, this is a quadratic, this is a they don't say this is a quadratic, they just give you a quadratic and it's like in disguise. And they just expect you to fully just like uncover it and then be like, oh man, I don't know. All these questions have quadratic. It's driving me up the wall. Add 448. Okay. So, the solution is not right. I just realized this is not... this is not what I want. My bad. I did not realize that was on screen, but... Sorry, minus 448. Sorry, minus 448. Just realised. Because I'm a boom boom. Does that even change anything though? It just feels like too bad to be... Oh my god. Guys. We cooked. We cooked. I realised that mistake was actually quite crucial. So... u equals 28 or u equals 16. U is also equal to k squared, so k squared equals minus 28. That's just not in this spec. Or k squared equals 16, which is definitely in this spec. K has to be 4, right? Does it have to be positive? K is a positive integer, so then we got k is 4. Very nice. Let's move on to question part C. Man, you know how it is. Hence form an equation with integer coefficients which has these roots. A to the 3? What is that, bro? Who made this? Like, who makes these questions, honestly? I'll be honest with you, man. This stuff is like... You cannot make this shit up, bro. You cannot make this shit up in GCSE, I'll be honest with you. Okay, so I'm assuming they want me to times by alpha. Because you know who's the... Okay, I'm not even going to say that, but no one's watching this. I'll be honest, guys. I need to pipe. A to the 4 plus b to the 4. Okay, they actually made this quite nice. Guys, you don't know how nice they made this, I'll be honest. They made this quite nice. So we know that that's 466 over 81. Add 2 alpha beta, which is negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3. All over alpha beta, which is negative 1 over 3. Alright, guys. Let's hope I don't make any calculator errors, and I should get one step closer to the answer. This all equals negative 4112 over set 27. And that is the negative b over a. So b is 412. Hey, you know what? You know when I get this answer though, like I don't know about this, bro. I get b is 412. Like that doesn't seem right for a quadratic. I'll be honest. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay. Because, you know, I'm gonna be all good. I'm gonna be chilling. Add a to the 4. Like, this stuff is always the same, though. Like, it doesn't make any difference. Add b to the 4. Add beta alpha. Yeah, it's funny, bro. It sounds like I'm brain rot TikTok, but I'm not. I'm literally doing what they tell me to do. Okay, this equals alpha cubed beta cubed. Oh hell no, bro. What the fuck is alpha cubed beta cubed? Oh my god. Guys, I'm cooking. Wait, what is it? Negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 27. Add 466 over 81. Negative 1/3. All over negative 1/3. Okay, let's have a look at this. We got our C over A, guys. C over A is up and coming. Man, honestly, this is... Okay, so our C is negative 436. This is an interesting quadratic, but the quadratic I got was 27x squared, add 412x, negative 436. Alright guys, let's double check this answer. They know I'm clapping my hands together, bro. Who's even watching the live stream right now? Whoever's watching the live stream right now, go to bed. Joking. I'm not one to talk. Yep. K is 4. Yep. Yes. So where the hell did they write the thing as? 27x squared, add 412x, minus 436. What does it say? Equals 0. That's crazy right now. We just did it. Whole 14 marks in the pocket. Let's go. Let's go next question. Geometric series. Geometric series. You know, man, me and my geometric series. I'll be honest. We do not get along. Geometric series came up in paper 1. And let me tell you guys. It was a long day. It was a long day. We conceded a goal, if you will. We conceded a penalty, man. Bro, how far behind is this? The third term of G. So this is just geometric. So tips for actual GCSE maths to cover lots of content. I'm gonna be honest. For actual GCSE maths, in terms of like content, I personally haven't been revising these topics by topics. I've just been doing past papers. Depends how confident you are with the subject. I mean, if you are really confident, then go for past papers, and they do cover basically all the content. But given that you said I hate maths, I'm gonna say the best approach to this is probably going through. There are videos, aren't there? I feel like there's long videos that go through it. And there's a good channel, Mr. Astbury. I'll put it in good maths channel. Mr. Astbury. Bro, this guy is cold. For GCSE maths. He covers everything. And he does cover everything, so I'm not wrong. But I don't know why I'm typing in the chat. If I was you, I would say don't completely isolate the exam and the questions. When you're, the exam and the topics. When you're doing that, when you're revising, going through each topic, I would say. No, listen. All right, listen. I'm gonna say when you're revising through each topic, do link that. Do some past paper questions that are linked to that topic. Don't just go through the content, because I feel depends what you do, but sometimes you feel like you understand it, and then they ask these really hard, twisted questions about a topic. You're like, what the fuck is this? So I'll be honest. If I was you, I would do topics. Mr. Asprey's good. I sent that to you, and I would just link that. I'll also do that with some past paper questions, because we don't have much time left to paper 2. I don't know if you have the same time as me for paper 2, but yeah. Anyway, bro, no, don't worry. You got this, man. Your teachers have not shafted you, bro. Well, maybe they have, but listen, you're going to be fine, and hopefully you're going to be good. So, I don't know why I'm doing all this hand stuff, but honestly, that is me. I'm like 35, 40 max. I usually get 45. So if you're talking about marks, I don't know if you need the same board as me. Because for me, that's out of 100. But for you, that could be out of like 70 or something. So depends what that's out of. But fair enough. Fair enough. I mean, yeah, I would say really look at the things. Actually, no. Here's another thing that I should have said earlier. Look at topics that you're not so good at. Don't just revise topics that you're good at. Because I know it's fun, but, well, at least, well, you said you hate maths, so it's probably not fun. But, like, like, I know it's probably better to, like, actually understand shit, but, like, go over everything. Even the topics especially the topics that you don't think you're good at. Because, like, you said you're getting 35 out of 40. Oh, do Edexcel higher out of 80. Okay, in that case, that's not too bad, honestly. For me, actually, I don't know how it is for you. For me, it's like 74% is a 9 for Edexcel, IGCSE, A maths, which is like some weird maths. But basically, we have 2 papers and they're both out of 100. And for us, 74% is a 9. You're getting 50. I think in my board, that's like, well, that's on 1 paper though. And I don't know, you probably have 3 papers. So I'm gonna say like, that's actually. Well, if you were in my exam board, that'd probably be a 7. I'll be real. Well, my exam was quite low. I genuinely think you'd be getting 7, but honestly, no. Sorry, like I'm not even like. Just get together topics that you do not know and do past paper questions on those topics, because I promise you, it's gonna boost your grade. Trust me. I'm joking. I'm not really the best guy to talk to, honestly, but if I was to be honest with you, but yeah, hopefully that helped. Yeah, that's what I can say. I mean, I'm happy to help you as well, like if you ever want help. But there's good people out there, bro. Mr. Asprey. Also, you can find loads of YouTubers online. Like I've searched up loads of stuff before, and like there's loads of cool people. So, to be honest, like you got good people out there. But I'm happy to help if you ever need help. I am doing GCSE maths as well, so like, I'm not like a teacher or anything. But if you ever want help, then I'm here. But yeah, man, I'm I'm gonna get back to this anyway. Third term is 27, and the sum of the first 3 terms, bro. A times 1 minus. Given up the sum to n terms. So it basically wants us to show that A is 4. And that R is 3/2. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. This always seems to happen for me on this. Oh. Yeah, history and English is where I cook, but thank you, bro. I'll clock in for longer, but I gotta sleep. I'll stay for a bit, though. Your TikToks, I've seen them and no clue what you're on about. Oh, shit, bro. Yeah, I'm sorry. My bad. I mean, like, to be honest, yeah, I'm probably not a good teacher then. I'll be honest. I'm probably not a good teacher. I mean, it's good that you cook in history and English, though. I actually am jealous of you for that, because I do not cook in English. I'll be honest. I mean, it's done now, but I do not cook. And I history I've done a paper, and I thought I did all right. But yeah, I mean, I definitely can't say I cook. I'll be honest, but yeah, yeah, I don't know, man. But thank you though, and like obviously, yeah, get sleep. I mean, I'm kind of stupid, but I'm kind of stupid for not getting sleep, but yeah. Add 27/2. Or as in I should be going to sleep, but I'm not. When is this exam? Bro, Josh, I know it's you, man. What are you doing, bro? Come on. This exam is the first week back in like a week. a week and like a few days. Wait, no, sorry, what am I saying? No, it's in like a week and a few days. It's on the Friday of the week back. So to be fair, it is in a while, but I need to clutch, bro. I need to clutch. I need to clutch, man. It's 15. Mate, I saw you streaming. I thought, the fuck's he doing awake, bro? Yeah, like I'm just streaming further pure, bro. Honestly, this is how it is, man. This is how it is. I'm not actually streaming my results, like what I'm actually doing, which doesn't really help. But no, I hate this question, man. I actually hate this question. Hold on, actually. Good luck with it. Looks tough. It is tough, bro. I don't like it. I'll be honest with you, man. Do not like this at all. I mean, this is question 9, so at least I have some leverage. But it's an 8 marker, and I hate these questions, bro. I had this in my actual GCSE paper 1, man. Why do they do me like this? It's just, I don't get it, bro. Honestly, it is what it is, but no, this is not the strat that I'm adopting right now. Oh, hold on. It's 15. A equals 15 over 1 plus R. Maybe that will help me. How long do you get? You get 2 hours for this exam. So it's quite a long time. But it does pass pretty quickly from experience in paper 1. I will be honest with you. Because you get hung up on questions that you just get that one tricky question and you just start looking at it like, you literally just stare down a question and then you start realizing, oh fuck, I have not done any of the other questions. No, as in like, no, it's normally like question like 7 or like just a random question in the middle. For this year it was question 4. Bro, I saw this question. I'm like, I did so many past papers. I just be looking at it like, I like I'm just staring at it like I don't even know what to say. Like I'm just like, bro, it's over. This year is finished. It's over. Like, all right, let's not talk about it. 30r squared equals 27 plus 27r. Okay, I'm pretty sure I just cooked. I'm not even joking. I'll be real. Sometimes it is over. Sometimes it is like that. Alright guys, I'm gonna use a quadratic solver. I know that I'm not supposed to be using these online quadratic equation solvers, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This stuff, like, I hate fucking having to solve. Like, they make you solve infinite quadratics in this shit. Alright, that does help me. Wait, 3 over 2. Yes, okay. Guys, I actually just cooked. Okay, so this is 3 over 2. So this is 2r minus 3 multiplied by negative 0.6. Negative 0.6. Bruh. Okay, let's go. 5r add 3. Let me just double check this. Oh fuck. Did I just fuck up? Oh no, it's because he divided it by 3. I'm actually an idiot. You can divide it by 3. Oh my god, man, I'm glitching. This is similar to A-level maths. Yeah, this is very similar to A-level maths. This isn't. This is actually probably a bit easier. This is a lot easier than A-level maths. Well, no, sorry, not a lot easier than A-level maths, but so obviously R has to be positive because it says R is greater than 0. So that means that R is 3/2. Therefore, R is 3/2. So we got that part, and then from there it's just pretty much subbing in, because then it's R times 3/2 squared is 27/2. So that's 9/4 A equals 27/2, and 27/2 divided by 9/4. That's going to be A equals 6. Wait. Oh, come on. No. That cannot be true. Why did they say A is 4? This cannot be true, man. Wait, I got R is 3/2 though. I got the right thing. But I did not get the right A. What? No, maybe I did it wrong. 9 3/2 times 3/2. That is definitely 9/4. That's definitely 9/4. I'm glitching, bro. 9/4 times 4 is 9. Times 6, bro. A is 6. Oh, hold on. Maybe sum to n times is different. Sum to n times is the sum of, well, A times R to the n minus 1 no, maybe A actually is 6, because I know that R is 3/2. A times R to the n minus 1, because they wrote it differently. Ah, okay. Okay. Yes. Because that's, man. Why did they write it like that though? Like, this is just like, this is why I don't like them. 6 times, yes, because 6 times 2/3 is 4. Nice. Okay, that's nice. This equals the g of n, whatever, and then basically that means that, okay, I just got the 8 marker, guys. That's cold. That just means that the s of n is just the sum of all that geometric series, which is just 4 3/2. I guess in this case j. Alright. Mate, this is cooking. Okay. Show that the least value of k is given by this. What the fuck is this? Okay, let's go. Sum to n terms. I guess you just sub in with k. You sub n as k. So A, which is 6 times 1 minus r to the k, all over, sorry, 1 minus 3/2 to the k, all over 1 minus 3/2. And this has to be less than, no, sorry, this has to be greater than 5,000, 50,000 or 5,000, 50,000. Bro's glitching right now. I'll be real, guys. I might get an energy drink any second. I might get that energy drink. You know, so that's equal to 6 times 1 minus 3/2 to the k, to the power of k. Okay. Okay, this is actually looking cold right now. 3 over 2 to the k is less than 12,503 over 3. And then I'm assuming they just want you to log both sides. Whatever that fucking means. Joking, I don't know what that means. 3 over 2 is less than log 12,503 over 3. Divide, so k is less than log 12,503 over 3 divided by log 3 over 2. Alright guys, we just beasted the question. Hence find the least value of k. So it can be any base that you want. So I guess ln. Answer divided by ln 3 over 2. So it has to be less than that. So the least value of k is going to be 20. Is the least value of k. Okay, there we go. Here we go. On the next question. I just realised I didn't do looking at the wrong shit. Oh, k is less than that though. Oh no, it's k is greater than that. I know why, it's because I did a bloody random R6. Why is there a 1 minus? No, that is right. Oh, it's because it could be negative, so you're dividing by a negative, perhaps? Now, I'm just looking at the answer that they got, and I'm realising I was very close, but I didn't quite get... Actually, no, I did get it, but I realised I put a greater than instead of a thing, so I'm just looking at this now. -1. Oh, they did a -1. But then it's 1.5 minus 1. Yeah. Yeah. Six times... I'm just looking at this shit, man. Yeah, because then you do... Oh, it's because I'm multiplying by a minus. So it already goes like that. Ah, and then it goes back. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, this is cold. That's why. So it wasn't... It's just 21. Show that 9 to the y, 9 to the 3y, so 3 to the 6y over, oh, log base 3 of 243, it's just 5. 3 to the 5 is equal to 3 to the 6y minus 5. What? That's 5 marks? Bro, what is that? What? No, that's 4 marks. No. This is a joke, bro. It's actually a joke. You're telling me I just worked my ass off on a fucking geometric series question, bro, for like 20 minutes straight, and you gave me a 4 marker like that, bro? That's GCSE. Bro, what is this, man? Like, what is this? What is this comparison? This is question 10. What are you doing? I mean, I'm not complaining, but no, this is crazy. Okay, let's move on. So the simultaneous equation. Is this a joke? Okay, so 3 to the 6y minus 5 equals 3 to the 3x minus... Oh my fucking god, bro. That actually isn't that bad, but... You know, right now it's bad. Minus 6. 6y minus 5 equals 3x minus 6. And you also have this funny shit going on here. I don't know what's going on with this bottom simultaneous equation. I'll be honest. Log base 4 of 2 is just a half. A half, right? Log base 4 of 2. So this is just log base 10 of root 6xy equals a half. So it's got to be root 6xy has to be equal to root 10, right? Because 10 to the power of a half is 6xy. So 6xy equals 10. So xy equals 10 over 6, guys. This is cooking. Is 5 over 3. So then we can rearrange the top one. Don't really like the way that this is being rearranged, though. I shall be honest, but whatever. I'll have to cry about it later. X times a half x minus a sixth. That is equal to 5 over 3. So yeah, a half x squared minus a 6x minus 5 over 3 equals 0. Don't really like that though. I'm going to times everything by 2. X squared minus a third x minus 10 over 3 equals 0. Now multiply by 3. 3x squared minus x minus 10 equals 0. Multiply to make minus 30, add to make minus 1. This is minus 6 and 5. 3x minus 6. 3x add 5 over 3. X minus 2. 3x plus 5 equals 0. Okay, this means that we have some values for our x. So x equals 2 is a value. Or x equals negative... Wait, hold on. Let me just double check this actually. 3x squared minus 6x add 5x minus 10. X equals negative 5 over 3. So y is 5 over 6, or y is 10 over 6 minus 5 over 3. Y is minus 1. Holy cook, bro. I just cooked. I cooked that question in about 5 seconds. Did not take me like 5 minutes. Okay, but where's the actual solution? Y is minus 1 or y is 5 over 6. Guys, that was a W question. On to the final question of this paper, and then I'm going to get an energy drink afterwards. Question 11. We got some cylinder shit going on. I'll be real. What's going on, guys? Wait, hold on. Real quick pause. Real quick pause. No procrastination here, but real quick pause. Someone said you look exactly like my maths teacher. What does this mean? Is that good? Man, hell no, but I don't even know if that's good anymore. I don't even... Sorry, guys. I don't know if anyone's watching. If you are watching, I'm sorry. I'm literally looking at my TikTok at the moment to see if anyone else, see who has seen it, and if anyone else has joined. I'll be honest. Okay. Who's actually watching this, by the way? Sorry, I know I'm supposed to be doing maths. I'm just looking at whoever saw that. Yo, I just realized, bro. Josh, I like your profile picture, man. If you're watching. Okay, we're on the final question now. So we cooked basically. This and by the way, I have 2 hours for this. I'm on the final question. I don't know how much time I would have left right now because I kind of wasted a bit of time in between doing random shit that I wouldn't do in the exam. Given that total surface area of the container, okay, guys. So you got pi RL plus 2 pi r squared. Pi RL? Is that curved surface area? Yo, guys. Yeah, it's pi r h. Sorry, pi r h. No, not that's cone. Surface area. Curved surface area. Well, we'll have to find out. Pi r h. No, I think it's pi r h. Two pi r squared. Aha. That means you get 2r minus 2r squared over r. I mean, if I do take out 2 pi r, then I guess in this one I have r at h over 2. So then it's a minus r. Yeah, because then you get 625 minus 2r squared all over 2r. Then you have to multiply by 2. No, this isn't right. What the... I'll be real, guys. Curved surface area of cylinder. Am I even supposed... Curved surface area of cylinder. Oh, it's 2 pi RH. Wow. That's why. I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? And I was like, This should help us a bit more. 625 pi. I keep getting minus 2r squared though. Yeah, this is what I got. Yeah, mate, I'm doing the right thing. But for some reason, it is not giving me the right answer. Yeah, because r squared over 2r is just r over 2. Why are you subtracting r over 2 there? What? Given that a total surface area, yes, but I understand that, but... Sorry, what? In the actual hell? It's not including that. I knew it was something like that. Pi r squared. Oh, it's open. I'm actually a bum. Okay, so then use calculus to show that volume of a cylinder. Pi r squared h, from what I remember. Who was in the chat, man? Jesus Christ, bro. I'm bugging. I'm about to get an empty drink, I'll be real. I'm on the last question of the paper and I'm on the fucking final part. I'm just trying to verify that it's a maximum. Which kills me. Doesn't actually kill me. It's quite a nice question, I mean, if I'm being honest. 3 pi r. Bro is bugging. Indeed. Nah, no, negative 3 pi r. Negative 3 pi r. Do you do IGCSE for normal maths? Yes, I do IGCSE at Excel, yeah. I find the value of R found in part B. Oh, for the value of R, find the corresponding value of H. Okay, so this is just going to be plugging it back into this formula at the top, which is going to be H equals 625 minus 625 over 3. No, that's fine actually. All over 2 times 25 root 3 over 3. Find the 3 significant figures. So 625 minus 625 over 3. And then answer divided by 50 root 3 over 3. Okay, I can't lie, I think I bugged. I don't think I got the right answer. A CBA with this, I'll be real right now. No, I got the right answer though. Why am I getting the same answer though? That's just how I know. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Yeah, 14.4, that's right. Oh, no, it is right. It is right. Alright. Okay, I got 4 marks. Bro, I thought I was getting it wrong because I got the same answer for 2 parts of the question, but it actually was. That first part of the question, I'm not gonna lie, got me, but that's not actually that bad because it was 3 marks, and in the test, it says prove that so that you know it. So basically, you know that it's true. You'd have to prove that it's true. So then, if I don't get that part, I can still do the next part of the question. The problem was I didn't know the fucking surface area, man. I didn't know because it said, it says open container, and I kept doing 2 pi r squared, and I was like, wait, what? Because there's 2 circles, right? And I was like, what? And then I realized it's open. So yeah. Anyway, that's that paper done. I'm pretty confident with that, to be honest. For some reason, question 1 got me. Question 2 was good. Question 3 was good. Question 4 was very good. Question 5 was actually surprisingly good. Question 6 was alright. Actually, it was alright, but I made a mistake, which kind of pissed me off. Question 7 was amazing. I don't know how I did that well. 8 was amazing. 9 took me time. 10... I'll be honest. Wait, what even was 10? I did that a minute ago. 10 was good. 11 was okay. So yeah, that wasn't too bad. Alright. Let's go. I'm gonna get a drink and I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna put my mic off, so yeah. I shall be back in a sec. What's up, guys? I also need to piss, but hold on. Is anyone on this? Is anyone on this live? Sorry if you are. I need to piss. I'll be right back. I finished the paper, but I'm gonna do a few more, probably till like 5 a.m. What's up, guys? I'm back. Popping up an energy drink. I'll be honest. No one's still watching. But I do not care. I'm gonna have to keep going on. Hopefully this energy will give me enough energy. Sorry guys, hold on. Just realised my fucking volume's up, mate. Hold on guys. I'm gonna have to... Yeah guys, give me a sec. I'll make this window visible in a sec. I need to get the papers up. Because basically I closed the tab which I shouldn't have closed. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is paper 2. This is paper 2 2022. I need to just make sure that I have the right paper first of all. I think I can turn it on now. Paper 2 2022. Is this the right one? This is indeed the right one, guys. Let's get straight into it. These questions are... Okay. Let me just write my candidate name on this paper. So discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. And we know that it has real roots, so it's got to be bigger than 0. 25k squared minus 4 times 2k times negative 3. NBA 2k. NBA 2k, say on your mama. Times... add 24k. Is greater than 0. K times 25k at 24 is greater than 0. So that means that k has to be 0 minus 24, or k has to be less than negative 24 over 25. I don't know why that's so specific there. This is the set of values, I guess. I've got to get this mark scheme up. Oh, I just realised I know what I did. I got a mark scheme up, but 0 over 2. Yeah, what the fuck just happened, man? Come on, bro. Oh, 5k minus 3. I didn't see the 5k. Ugh, that's why. I was like, what's going on? So that's going to be 25k squared minus 8k times 5k minus 3. You want me, sure this is right. By memory. Yeah. Less than or equal to, whatever. Yeah, that question always gets me, and I don't know why, because it's not a hard question, it just gets me. You gotta be now. I usually say meters per second squared, but to be honest, not that bothered about that meters per second squared. Okay, sorry guys, I haven't changed the question. I don't think anyone's watching anymore, so that's why, but shall change the question. This is where we are. How many questions are there on this one? I feel like there's going to be 12. Oh no, 11. No, sorry, times the magnitude of OA. No. I just realised what I was doing. My battery's low on my phone. Gotta get it charging. Holy fuck, what is this next question? I'm seeing split sections of it. It's an art question, I feel. I think I've done this paper, to be honest, but we'll speedrun it, I guess. They got multiple use formulae from page 2. They got this dumbass shit going on here. They got the straight line, show that y equals this. This is a hard question, I remember that question. That question takes you time to think about. You know, I always get this wrong, and I just don't like that I get it wrong every fucking time. You know what it is? Because it's like, I get the first part right, which is 4 marks. The next part, for some reason, I just never seem to get right. Is it negative 3i? Is P not 3? What do you mean negative 3i? Oh yeah, it's because it's OA, but you gotta do negative 3a at 4j. Yeah. You know, I feel like I still make the same bloody mistakes every bloody time I do this shit. And it makes me annoyed. This... This... Shit, I did not change the question. I just realised this. This is the question I'm not doing. Bro, Josh isn't here anymore, bro. Who's revealed Shadow? Yeah, I remember this question. I feel like I know it's sectors. And it's an equilateral triangle, so it's 60. Hey, who is this in the chat, by the way? That's the area of this sector. And then you can figure out the area. Well, you can do two similar sectors like this. And, but who's in chat, bro? Who's in chat? It's 150. I thought I was gonna be alone. Yeah, half AB sine C as well. What? Oh, I'm in radians. Come on, bro. That's a classic error, you know. But, you know, for further pure maths, you need to be in radians. But it's just like, I was like, bro, I got the wrong answer. Then I realized it's not wrong. So you just add this up times 2, but then you can also do this, which is the area of the sector, minus 9 root 3. And then multiply by 4. And you get 24 pi minus 36 root 3. Add by 18 root 3. Minus 36 at 18. Be minus, so you get 24 pi minus 18 root 3. So A is 24, B is 18. Let's go, man. I just cooked. Let's have a look. Yo, what's up, Miles, bro? How are you, man? I hope all's good with you. I haven't spoken to you in a while, man, but thank you for tuning in, man. Yeah, best of luck with GCSEs. I know you guys are probably working hard and shit, but yeah, man, I'll be honest, bro. Life's been tough, but life's life, you know? I'll be honest, man, this is, yeah. I haven't actually really spoken to anyone from our lanes in a while, you know? But, yeah. Anyway, B root C. Okay, C is 3, but I know I got that right anyway. Find the exact value. Why does a mark scheme give the actual value? Find mark scheme, bro, honestly. Next question. Whoever's still watching, like, I really thought, like, How is people still watching this live stream? Like, how is someone watching this live stream? -3 minus P. I'm pretty sure it's alpha plus beta. Alpha, beta. That's just C. My apologies. C over A, which is even better because that's just P. Nice. Show that part B. Okay. Show that A minus B squared is equal to this. Okay. So you've got to find a way. First of all, what's A minus alpha minus beta, whatever you want. Alpha minus beta. Alpha squared minus 2 alpha beta add beta squared. So you can just get this in a similar way. Sorry, I thought someone was coming. No one was coming. Well, we need to do minus 2 alpha beta, which is going to be minus 2p. It's going to be nice. It's going to be a p squared add 4p add 9. P squared add 4p add 9. Minus 2p does indeed get you p squared add 2p add 9. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. I'll be honest, that's a nice one. Find the possible values of p. Bro, I'm already on nearly question 6 of this paper, man. It's a good paper. Therefore, 9 is equal to 9 plus 2p at p squared. Therefore, 0 is equal to 2p at p squared. P times, oh my god, p at 2 is equal to 0. So p could be 0 or p could be negative 2. And that's a 3 marker. So I'm not that surprised at that, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's that question. Zero minus 2, yeah, we got that all right. Nice, that was a good question. So what we got going here for question 6? You know, bro, they always make so many pages in this, but it's better than to have more than to have less, because I feel like sometimes you can sort of scramble thoughts down and then realize that you don't actually have that much if you have less pages. So anyway, let's move on to question number 6. Using formula from page 2, show that this is quite a good one, I find at least. Given my experience in prefer the pure, which I must say isn't the greatest of all time. Bro, I'm talking to myself, man. So we want to prove that it's 1 minus 2 sine squared A. Be careful. Well, I'm assuming that you just want to plug it in the Pythagorean identity, because that's the goat identity. I'm just realizing, bro, how much volume of revolution do they have in this shit, man? Bro, volumes of revolution are deadly, bro. When did you last jump in a pond? Bro, I haven't jumped in any ponds, man. I haven't done that, bro. Bro, this is a funny curve. This is a funny curve. Sorry? What about... I don't know what you mean, caution pond, sorry. By that. Don't know what you mean. Caution pond? Wait, what? I know what you're talking about when you say Alton Towers. Reminded me of that. The equation x equals pi over 4. I guess people never really will forget that. You have every clue. The y-axis and the equation, and then it's rotated, so it's got to be pi y squared dx. Oh my god, this is just so hard to picture. Well, actually no, it's not, because you know it has to start at 0 and go up to pi over 4. So 3 plus 2 sine x multiplied by 3 plus 2 sine x, 9 plus 6, 12 sine x, add 4 sine squared x. You know what, I don't like this though, there's something about it. Something about it. It could come later. Y squared. Okay, well, we have our y squared. Negative cosine. negative 12 cosine x. Okay, this is probably why. Because you can't integrate that. Cosine of 2a equals 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Use calculus. Man. We have to make something cosine of 2a. Ah, got it. Minus. If you do negative cosine 2a, well, that's the same thing as writing negative 1 add 2 sine squared a. And then you just have to add negative cosine 2a add 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 2 sine squared a. No, sorry, equals 3 plus 2 sine squared a. But I'm glitching. But the issue with that is then but there's no sine squared though. Nine plus 12 sine x. I think I know what I'm doing actually. Negative cosine 2a, that's negative 1 add 2 sine squared a, and then you add 1, then you multiply by 2, and you get 4 sine squared A. So we can rewrite that as the integral from pi over 4 to 0. Come on, man. That took me way too long, I'm be honest. 9x minus 12 cosine x. And then you just need to go minus 2 times the whole, minus 1, minus sine 2x. And then you want to go add 21x. From pi over 4 to 0. And I'm pretty sure this should get you the right answer. I'm probably put my thing in radians. Get 9 over 4 pi minus 12 cosine pi over 4. No. Of course, you can't forget the 0 here. So this approximates to something 14.076666353, and then you just subtract all of the 0, so it's 0 minus 1, minus 0, add 0. So it's going to be 0 minus 1. No, add 1 really. Answer, add 1. So to give your answer to the nearest integer, 15 to nearest integer. Can't lie, did I actually get that? Because if I did, I'm quite impressed. Yep. But why did it change? Oh, because it was add 2. Okay, it doesn't actually matter. Oh, did I say add 21x? Bro, I literally mistook my goddamn thing. Okay, I got 11x. Yeah, in that case I actually got 5. No, sorry, 1, 2, no, I got 4 out of 6. Not too bad, actually. It's just because I didn't plug it in correctly. Because I thought that was a fucking 21. I'm a bum. Well, there we go. So you plug that in, and you get 35 to the nearest integer. Alright, next question. Let's go. We got some more trig. I like trig. Trig is love, trig is life. Okay, so we need to know the tan addition formula. This just goes tan of A plus A equals tan A, add tan A, all over 1 minus tan squared a. This just equals 2 tan a over 1 minus tan squared a. Well, plug in data, doesn't really matter. Gives a fuck. Nice. Okay, that's part A done for 2 marks. Part B. Show that tan alpha, given that tan 2 alpha is 1, so just do, well, I don't want to be in radians actually anymore. Tan to the minus 1, 1. It's 45. Oh no, sorry, you need to write this as a 2 tan. You don't actually want to solve. You want to write that as 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan squared alpha. And that equals alpha plus or minus root, a plus or minus root. This equals 1, sorry, 1. 2 tan alpha equals 1 minus tan squared alpha. Didn't quite get the answer that I wanted. I know why. It's because what they want me to do here is then use the quadratic. Minus 2 plus or minus root b squared. Minus 4 times 1 minus 4. LAC. So root 8 over 2 is just root 2. Yes. So this should be correct. Okay, that's part B. Using formulae from page 2, show that... Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Well, you need to use this. You need to use cosine x minus 30. You need to rewrite that as something. This is equal to cosine x times by cosine 30. Add sine x sine 30. And cosine 30 is root 3 over 2 cosine x. Add a half sine x. And then that actually has to be root... Sorry, what am I doing? That is equal to sine of x plus 30. Man. just divide this by this, and you get 1 equals tan x. Okay, part D is the final part of the question. Hence or otherwise, solve. So yeah, this means tan of 2y equals 1. Well, you also have minus 80, minus 180, which is less than 2y, which is less than or equal to 180. Okay, question complete. Let's have a look at it. Yep, looks correct. Minus 135 over 2. Yep, and 45 over 2, yeah. Correct. Let's move on to the next cue. Okay guys, quick rest. I've been kind of going at it for a while. You don't know how long it's been. Let's be honest, I don't know how long it's been. Is there anything on their live stream? It has been almost 3 hours. Must be honest, it's been a wild ride. I wonder if anyone else is watching this. Sorry guys, by the way, I'm not procrastinating. I'm looking at if anyone else saw. Sorry if anyone's watching this, by the way. Let me know in chat and I'll have a convo. I'm just thinking about all this. For watching, bro, what? Oh my god, I'm sorry guys if anyone's in chat. I am doing questions, but I have had a tiny break, and everyone's come in. Everyone's come flooding in. I'm sorry, guys, about that. But on this question, You know, I really dislike questions like this. I'm going to be honest with you. For a few reasons. The surface area of the 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what we need to calculate. (4x squared) add. And GH is 8x. And AB is 2x. Just do half. 2x at 8x. Multiplied by height. How do we figure out that height? Good question. Good bloody question. AH with 5. Oh, I know how to figure it out. I'm done. It's a Pythagoras, bro. Come on, man. No way, bro, got me lacking on Pythagoras. The problem is, though, Pythagoras, but how? Because H2A, we know. Oh, it says the volume. Oh, I'm dumb. Because the volume is just... Ah, okay. It's half times A plus B. Question is, how do I get this? I know that the volume is the area that times the cross-sectional length, but they don't tell us that. They tell us that's H. Of a right prism. Could that be good for something? Well, it's gotta be fucking annoying me. It's gotta be half, but it's 5x times the height. Half that times the height. But I don't know it. I want to figure it out, which is kind of annoying. Oh, I do know it. I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. I am incredibly dumb. This is 8 minus 2 is 6. Divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, you have 4. This is 4x. Aha. Bang, 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 bang on the money. Let's go. Times h. It's 2050. I'm a bit weird. That's 20x squared h. 8 is 2250. X squared h is 22 over 5. I'm pretty sure they want you to rewrite h, so I'm going to say h is 22 over 225 over 2x squared. And then from there you have the surface area, which is just going to be the area of that, which is 5x times... Man, this party is brutal. Can't lie, man. I hate these questions because you just be like looking at it and you're like, oh shit. For like 20 seconds, you're like, oh, of course it's that. And you're like, well, it took me forever. Didn't really help me. That it took me that long. 5x times 225 over 2x squared. And then you want to multiply that by 2. So that would just be 1125x cubed. Add the area of this, which is just half, times 10x times 4, which is 20x squared. Add 40x squared. Bang. We have our 40x squared, and now where do we go? We didn't add on the bottom, that's a problem. And you need to add on a 2x multiplied by 225 over 2x squared. 450 x cubed over 450 over 2x cubed. 450 over 2. 225 x cubed. Right. So we do get 1350x cubed add 40x squared is surface area. The only problem with that is that then they have a 1350 over x. And I have a 1350x cubed. I recall having this issue before. And the issue comes... as a result of something. Yeah, because this basically says x squared is equal to 2250 over 20h, so 225 over 2h. So then when you multiply by, that means x cubed is equal to 225 over 2hx. over 2x squared. It's 1125. In other words, I know that this is over x. Okay, part B. Guys, I'm gonna go to the toilet quickly, I'll be back. Sorry guys, I just went to the toilet. I don't know who's watching, by the way, guys. Let me know if you're watching. I did the first part of the Q. Value of x for just as a minimum. I mean, this is just ridiculous, man. Honestly, ds dx. So this is 1350 x to the minus 1. Add 40 x to the minus to the 2. It's going to be minus 1350 x to the minus 2. Add 80x. And then you want to let that equal to 0. So this is essentially just over x squared add 80x equals 0. And then, yeah, you just kind of go minus 1350 add 80x cubed is 0. 1350 over 80. A cube root answer. And x is 2.56 to 3 significant figures. And part C is just plugging that value in. So then it's just going 1350 over answer, add 40 times answer squared. Nope, that is not what I meant to do. And then part C is just 789 to 3 significant figures. Okay, that's that question. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Done. That question out of the way. Let's go. Oh, it's this question. I feel like I know this question is bad. I know this question is bad. Man, this whole paper is arse, bro. It's taking way too long on it. Here's question 9. Gradient M, another straight line passes through the point B. Okay. Yep, so you can go y minus 7 equals m times x minus 4. Y minus 7 equals mx minus 4m. So that's okay. It will have negative 1 over m, this other line, right, which is perpendicular, and it passes through the point 4k. So y equals negative 1 over m times 4k, add c. So k equals negative 4 over m, add c. K add 4 over m equals c. Y equals negative 1 over mx times x, add k, add 4 over m. Then you just set that equal to the original equation, which is kind of not very good. So then you say mx minus 4m add 7 equals negative 1 over m x, add k, add 4 over m. And this is the y coordinate of C. So the answer that we're figuring out when you plug them in is the x coordinate. Okay, this is going to be quite annoying. Minus 7 mx minus 4m. I'll be honest, let's just times all this by m actually. I'll be honest, yeah, we want to get all the x's on one side. And plug it in for the original one. I have almost everything in place. Except for one thing. So we need to add 7. That's going to cancel out. Add 7. So I got m squared k, add 4m, add 4m cubed, add 7 all over m squared, add 1. So I don't know where I'm getting this 4m plus 4m cubed from, but it's not helping me. Bro, when you have these extra terms in your thing, starts going a bit crazy. This goes to for some reason I just cannot get rid of these terms. I know, I didn't -4. Yep, that gets rid of them. Perfect. Done. M squared k add 7 all over m squared add 1. Who's actually still watching this, by the way? Whoever you are. Thank you. Given that the triangle ABC is isosceles, find the value of m. It's isosceles, but what does that mean? What does that actually mean? To find the value of m. It means that does it mean that AB no, AC and BC are the same. distance. Because they're isosceles. Let me calculate this for a second. The same distance apart. But we only know what the y coordinate. What's the question after this, by the way? It's a log simultaneous, thank God. Give me a break. And then we got curve. Okay. Given that the triangle ABC is isosceles, find the value of m. Given that the triangle AB, bro, I'm still trying to pass this, bro. It's way too late for this. Well, A and B intersect at C. This has to be this. It has to be this because they are. Is that the distance between their y values are the same? That's a smart one. Midpoint of AB. That one was actually difficult. And you know the y value is the same, you equate, you do that, and you get m equals -1. Yeah, okay, that's fair. That's a hard question. I'll accept fate on that one. I got 7 marks, but didn't get them all. Cannot win them all. This one I'm actually cooking. Sorry, mate. You're finished. If you give me this question, I love you. Sorry guys, my mum came in. They don't believe in me. God. Yeah. Next is 64.
I'm not sure what the mistake I made before was.
So I didn't times this result, that's why. X is 64. That's question 10. Sorry, I haven't changed the question on the screen, but I'm on the final question. Here we go. X is 0. Minus 6. This is going to be something. 1. It's going to be 36, so you can rewrite as minus 6. That's not right. sorry. Negative 11 over 12. That is correct. I know I'm on the right track. Problem is getting it actually there fully. No. Negative A, sorry, yeah. Yeah, and then as a result, you just plug A in there. So 5x at 1 over 3x minus 6. So yeah, x cannot be 2. 5 over 3. I'll be honest, man. I love the one where it says sketch it, because I'm always fucking good at that. Never good at quite spotting the mistake, my issue. I think this will be the last paper. I know I said 5 AM, but probably should get some more sleep if I want to even consider doing this. I've done 2 papers, it's quite a lot. Don't know how long I've been live for. Nearly 4 hours I've been live, which is insane. X equal 2. When x is 0, you got negative 1/6. When y is 0, you got negative 1/5. The line L meets C again at the point D. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, that's done. Yeah, that's good. Okay. That's it. That's the whole paper done. The only part that I really struggled with that part B because I made a mistake on that question, but that's the whole paper done. Nice. That's 2 papers. Okay. I am probably gonna say we're gonna end there. It is 3:20 in the morning. I started this roughly 3 hours 46 minutes ago, and there we go. Man, I hated Excel. That's all I gotta say. And do I hate Excel? But it said meet again. But if we clear one thing, because it said where do they meet again, and at the same point A, and obviously y-axis is x equals 0, so then that would be one of them, but you have to give the other one. Got it? Yep. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I'll be honest.